We're here today to welcome the students to our summer school. The School of Geography has had a demonstration session on drones and drone data collection. GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, is about visualizing and analyzing data in a geographical way. We've taken the students to the field to show them how a drone collects data and then brought them back to the GIS lab to explore that information on a computer interface.
I thought the day was really enjoyable, it was really informative, and it was really cool to see the drone and how they use it, and we got to use the maps then when we came back. Everyone was really passionate and it was cool to see all the jobs and the jobs of the future. You wouldn't get to do anything practical like that at school, so that was cool. School, you'd be like more just reading the books and learning about it, whereas we actually got to go out, and I love the practical element of it where we got to use the drones and use the GIS, so we got to come back in then and see the maps and the data we'd collected from the drones.